Now is available at McCarthy Cars, Mercedes C-Class 2013 metallic silver. Car has front daylights, it's got front parking sensor, it's got 18-inch AMG alloy wheels, it's got previous rear glass. Car has rear parking sensor. Full black leather interior, it's got side and front airbags, 5 headrests, ISOFIX chassis preparation, for electric window, electric mirror, front auto headlights, got electric seats. Car has satellite navigation, it's got telephone, Bluetooth connection, aux connection, CD, 2-zone climate control air conditioning, it's got eco mode, automatic transmission, multifunction steering wheel, cruise control speed limiter. Thank you for watching.